Hello everyone, I am Shankar Rajput. Today is date 27th of March 2024. My today's topic name is the Java Hooks concept. Uh, Java Hooks concept, object-oriented programming. The advantage of hooks over the product 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 oriented programming language. The difference between the object oriented and the object based programming language. In the page, will be learn about the basic of OOPS, object oriented programming. It is the uh, pro providium that provide many concepts such as the inheritance, data, binary, polymorphism, etc. Simula is the uh, considers the first object-oriented programming language. The oriented programming where the everything is the response response of object. It is the known as the trustly object-oriented programming language. Small talk in the consider of the first trustly object-oriented programming language. The popular object-oriented programming language is the Java, C hash, uh, uh, PHP, Python, C++, etc. The main of the aims of the object-oriented programming is to implement 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 uh, real world the entities. For example, object, classes, abstraction, inheritance, polymorphism, etc. Oops. Object-oriented programming systems. Object means a real world entity such as the pen, uh, chair, table, computer, watch, etc. Object-oriented programming, it is the uh, methodology is the podium to the designing a program using classes and the object. It is the simplified the software development uh, uh, um, by the providing some concept. The first is the object class inheritance, polymorphisms, abstractions, uh, encapsulation, encapsulations. Apart from there's the concept, there are the some others terms which is the use in the object oriented designing. The coupling, uh, coupling, collision, uh, isolation, compilations. Java OOPS concept, object, Java object. Any entity that has the state behavior in the known as the object. For example, a chair, pen, table, keyboard, bike, etc. It can be physical or the logical. A object can be defined a instant of the class. Each object contains a address as the taken some space in memory. Object can be communication without knowledge table in the author's data or their only necessary thing is the type is the message uh, message that the type the response returns by the object. Thank you for this